this is Silas, and in today's video I'm going to show you my first finished art journal. All the pages are here on YouTube, so if you would like to watch them, I will put link to a playlist with all of those videos in pop-up card and also in the description below the video. So this is the first page I made. I really like the colors. For the background I used my favorite acrylic paints by PBO, and I think that the peach and pink colors works really well with all those gold details. And for the stars and script in the background I used modeling paste with stencil. Autumn shows us how beautiful it is to let things go. I really like this quote, so I wanted to create a page which has autumn feel, so I decided to use real leaves, which I first dried flat and then I glued them to my page. I made this page 1.5 years ago, and as you can see those leaves look still the same, so if you want to use dry flowers or leaves in your project, I wouldn't be afraid of it. For this page I used a ton of pattern papers. First I draw a template for this oriental city and then I trace it on my papers and make collage out of it. It was really fun to make this page, and for the quote I used stamps and gold embossing powder, so the page has lots of shine. For this page I used gelatos and lots of stamping with acrylic paints, which didn't work like I wanted. And to be honest, I wasn't very happy with how this page turned out, but it's okay. We learn through mistakes, and some pages I do love and some I don't. Even in the darkest nights, you are not alone. I really like this page with the quote. I think it's so true. I am a cat person. Well, I'm a dog person too. I'm kind of an animal person in general, but I really like using a cat theme in my art journals. So I made another big collage with all those cats cut out of the pattern paper. And the actual quote I embossed. This is my Christmas page, again with a cat. The red snowflakes are embossed. I was really into embossing for a while. It's so fun and I used it everywhere. And the hanging ornaments are actually made from this interesting fabric, which I glued onto a white paper. Another gleaming Christmas page. It actually took me quite a long time to paint this tree, but it was okay, it was quite relaxing. And I first drew a template for the tree and then I traced it on my page. This is probably my all-time favorite page. I saw this picture of ballerina when I was browsing, I think on Pinterest, and I just had to paint her with this quote. Come with me where dreams are born and time is never planned. I think that this quote is from Peter Pan, but it has such a fairy tale feel for me, and I also put link for the picture in the description if you want to paint her too in your art journal. This is a quite a wild colorful spread, but what can I say? I just really love gold and pink. And those feathers are stamped using white acrylic paint, and I think it turned way better than my first stamping with acrylic paint. This is another page with the gold details, and this time with my favorite turquoise color. I'm not sure why, but I love painting peacocks. I think they are so beautiful. And the quote was again embossed using turquoise silver embossing powder. This is another my super favorite page with lots of colors. This was so fun. When I'm looking at this page now, I'm thinking that I really need to paint another abstract painting because I love them so much and it is so relaxing process. If you like this painting, check out my other abstract paintings. I will put link in the description below and in pop-up card. And into the forest shall I go to lose my mind and find my soul. I read this quote somewhere online and I really liked it, and I knew that I have to use it for my page with this girl and forest theme like I was planning to do. The girl stamp is by Gorgeous, I'm not sure how to pronounce it right, and I think it really fits into the overall mood. This is really fun and colorful page. I really enjoyed creating this. And as a proud owner of cats, the quote is something I swear by. The house stamps are by Lavinia and I think they are so cute, but I must admit that I love almost every Lavinia stamp, and if I could I would definitely buy all of them. This is another page where I used real flowers and I think they still looks good, they are just little paler. Maybe next time I would try to dry flowers really good before using them. This is one of the last pages I made, but it's actually somewhere in the middle of my journal because I had the last blank page here, not sure why. The owls are cut out from napkins and I covered them with glossy accents so they are really shiny. This page was so fun, I absolutely didn't think about the result and I just played with colors and stencils. And I actually really like how the page turned out. If you want to just relax, I would definitely recommend to create something like this. This is page with all those cute butterflies and unfortunately also with spelling mistake. The butterflies are by Stamperia and I think that it was a really big rice paper with all those different animals, but I don't think it's still in stock, and the quote is actually created using modeling paste and alphabet stencil and it took me a really long time to make it. In this page I really love how the silhouette of the city turned out, and I added a glitter to the wings of the fairies and to the stars, so the page is really sparkling. And this is another favorite page of mine. I just can't help, I love those gorgeous girls, they are so cute. And I have another few of them, so I can't wait to use them in some new project. I colored the girl using polychromosed colored pencils and I blended them using mineral spirit. Well, and it was the final page in my art journal. Guys, I'm so curious, let me know in the comments which one or two you like the best. I would love to know. And thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, I would appreciate thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel for more art journal pages. And I will see you next time. Bye bye!